Good morning class 5th. In previous video we have already done exercise 5.1. Now let's start exercise 5.2, multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. To multiply a decimal by a whole number, we perform the multiplication as if we are multiplying two whole numbers. Put the decimal point in the product to get as many decimal places in the product as there are in the multiplicand. Let's start the exercise. The first question is 6.3 multiply 7. Here 7 is a whole number. We are going to multiply it with the decimal number. So 6.3 multiply 7. For here we are going to multiply as we are multiply simple to whole numbers. 7 3s are 21, 1 here, 2 as a carry. Now 6 7s are 42 or 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 2 44. This is your normal multiply that you have performed normally to whole numbers. In step 2 you have to place the decimal point in the product. Product means answer of multiplication. Let's have a look here. After decimal only one point is there. This is your rough work. After decimal only one digit is there. In this no decimal point is there. So here will be 0. 1 plus 0 1. It means in the answer you have to be plot the decimal in front of 1. That is, count the digit to the right of the decimal. You have to count the digit from the right side. If 1 is there, after 1 you have to plot the decimal. Let's have a glance on next example. That is 6.58 multiply with 16. Normally first you multiply it as we are doing it normally. Now 6 8s are 48, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 3 as a carry, 6 into 6, 6 multiply 6, 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Now sign of multiplication, again you have to multiply it with 1, that is 8, 5 and 6. In last step we are adding these two terms, these two steps. 8 plus nothing 8, 4 plus 8 12, 2 is here, 1 as a carry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 5 here, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10. So this is your normal multiplication. Now you have to count the digits. Here in first step after decimal 2 digits are there. Second one no, 0, 2 plus 0, this is 0. It means in the answer you have to count 2 digits from the right side. This is your right side, this is your left side, right hand, left hand. From right side you have to count 2 digits, 1, 2. Here you have to plot the decimal. This is your multiplicand, multiplier, product. Now move to third question, that is 35.7 multiply with 12. So 3 5.7 multiply with 12, 7 2s are 14, 4 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, multiply 7 5 3. Now add these 4, 1 plus 7 8, 7 plus 5 12, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4. Your answer is 4284. Now second step is we have to plot the decimal. Here after decimal 1 digit, after decimal nothing, 1 plus 0 1. So from right side plot the decimal before 1 digit. Clear? Similarly you can do all the sums. Try these sums. Do it on your notebook. Now move to question number 2. A bag contains 99.5 kg of wheat. Find the total quantity of wheat in 16 such bags. Weight of one bag is given. We have to find the weight of 16 bags. In this question, information of one thing is given. We have to find information of more things. It means we are going from one to many. One to many, we are always do multiplication. If information of one thing is given, we have to find the information of more things, then we are doing multiply. If information of more thing is given and we have to find one thing, many to one, we perform divide. Here we have to perform multiplication. So in this sum, weight of one bag is 99.5 kg. Weight of 16 such bags will be 99.5 multiply 16. After performing multiplication, same process we have to use. Multiply it step by step. Then after decimal, only one digit is there. Here also after decimal, one digit. So your answer is 1592 kg. In question number 3, cost of 1 meter of cloth is given. We have to find the cost of 18 meters of such cloth. So cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 38.50. Cost of 18 meter of cloth, again here also one to many, we have to do multiply. So multiply these two terms, you got the answer 693. Now in question number 4, 1 liter of petrol cost is 14.55. Find the cost of 185 liters of petrol. So cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 14.55. Cost of 185 liters of petrol will be, you have to simply perform the multiply and you got the answer. Same process you have to use to multiply the things. Now question number 5, a bottle contains 450 milliliter of milk. How much milk will 128 such bottles contain? Express the answer in liters. First of all, you have to find how much milk contained in 128 bottles. Milk contained in one bottle is given 450 milliliter. Milk contained in 128 bottles. One to many, again we are multiply. How? Here nothing, this is simple multiplication, no decimal point is there, simply you have to perform multiply. 8 into 0 0, 8 into 5 40. Similarly you can perform 3 steps and then add them, you got the answer 57600. The answer is in the milliliter, but they told you to express the answer in liter. To change milliliter into liter, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Milliliter is smaller quantity, liter is bigger quantity. When we convert a smaller quantity into bigger quantity, we always do divide. If we want to change smaller to bigger, then divide, bigger to smaller, multiply. Here we are going to convert milliliter to liter, so we divide it with the 1000. 2 zeros cut, what is left? Only 1 zero is left, so we plot the decimal after 7. So your answer is 57.6 liter. We leave the answer in liters. Now move to last second question. 1 kg of mango cost is given and we have to find the cost of 125 kg of mangoes. Again same sum, cost information of 1 kg mango is given. We have to find the information of 125 kg. One to many, multiply. Again simply you perform the multiplication. After that plot the decimal point. Now last sum. A van cover a distance of 11.5 km in with 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover with 35 liters of petrol? So distance cover with 1 liter of petrol is 11.5 km. Distance cover with 35 liters of petrol will be, you have to information of 1 is given, we have to find information of more. 1 to many, again we perform multiplication. After multiply you got the answer 402.5 km. So complete this exercise, try all the parts, simple multiply, practice these questions and then we move to next exercise. Thank you so much, have a good day.